What's up, guys? I'm Gerardo and this is Kelly, and we're out here with Triple G Customs. Today we're going to show you a new build that we just recently done. From y'all seen our coffee table build where we had all the guns inside there. That one actually didn't have a lock on it, so we went ahead and made a new design and made an entry table. This entry table actually has a concealed lock right here, and it's RFID powered with a card or a chip. This is called fob, key fob. So you're gonna go ahead and do it. Just slide it. You gotta find it. Oh, there it goes. Boom. You got your goodies, your guns, your toys, whatever you want in there. Whatever you want to hide. I mean, I'm not judging. Close it up. Also works with the fob. This one's a little bit harder because you gotta know exactly where it is. Same thing though. And this is just some examples of the stuff you can hold in it. Right now we're just got a bunch of different firearms in here, and these are all unloaded. They're all unloaded firearms. And like I said, we got a shotgun, a Tech 9, a Glock, another Glock, 38 Special. These are all unloaded. Do a safe check for you guys on YouTube. I believe it's unloaded. Oh, this is the one that I really like. What is P365 6 sword? It's a good gun right here. But like I said, you can store pretty much anything you want, from money, guns, tools, just hidden things. It don't really matter. As I said, we're not judging. Just hide it away. So we are coming out with a new line of furniture. If you haven't seen our page on Instagram, you can like us on Facebook. And we do post some of our new furniture we're doing. We're going to be doing a whole new line of concealed furniture. We're going to have the coffee tables with the RFID lock, a couple end tables, entrance tables and end tables, and the side tables when you're by your bed. What are those called?
Nightstands.
Nightstands. We're going to have nightstands, RFID locks. And this table is actually custom made for a customer. They wanted the rustic design, nice oak top. They did want it stained with dark walnut. And they wanted it to be concealed. We're actually going to use just a magnetic lock. However, we did some more research on it, and we found these RFID powered locks, and those just look, man, they looked really cool to us. And we wanted to see if they'd work with this build, so we went and got it ordered, installed it, and man, it's been wonders. We really like it. I think it's awesome. What do you think?
I think it's really cool. It's different. We've never done anything like this, so
yeah, it's really different. It's actually. It was a little confusing on how to do it, just get the build overall. Yeah, as I said, it was our first one with a lock in it, and we wanted to make the seams where you couldn't really tell that it actually is concealed drawer. So we had to get it pretty much an exact fit, sanded just a little bit on sides, so it opens up very smoothly. And still, these locks are actually pretty strong from what we've seen. I mean, unless someone actually knows what's under here, or that there is a lock on here, they'd actually have to pry it open or cut open into the actual wood. I mean, you can show them, try to pull on it. I mean, it ain't opening it. Like I said, you can move the whole table before you open this. I want to give a thanks to Kelly. That is my partner in all these builds. She helps me with everything, especially a lot of things that I struggle on, or any design features, or even the painting. Man, I hate painting. I don't know if she likes it, but she seems like she likes it. She does all the painting, all the stains, and she helps with all the designs, all the small things. She's kind of a perfectionist, so something that I might say, oh, not that big of a deal, she'll go, no, we need to fix that. And also on her, I'll do the same thing, fix things that she doesn't see wrong, or we'll just go over each other's stuff and work really good as a team. So yeah, I just want to give a big thanks to Kelly for sticking through and helping me with this business. And just to show you how big this drawer actually is, this is only 16 inches wide. We were working with some 10-inch slides. But, I mean, you can fit an entire AR-15 in here. This is a full-size AR-15. And fits in here just fine. Perfectly in there. You can even stretch this out a little bit. That's almost closed. It was actually right here, and it still fit. This is unloaded. Anybody wants to know? That is an unloaded weapon. And yeah, it fits in there fully sized, stretched out all the way back. So yeah, these drawers can be made to any size you need. They can support pretty much any weapons you want in there. I mean, unless you have a saw or something like that, M249s, though, you're not going to be putting that in there. But your ARs, your 12 gauges, pistols especially, these are good concealed weapons for your pistols. And for anybody that is wanting a tutorial or a how-to video for y'all DIYers out there, or even other builders, if y'all can just like, subscribe, hit that bell, turn on notifications, we'd really appreciate it. And that's all we ask. Yeah, this has just been overall a fun build, a new experience, and pretty much a little bit of an adventure, learning how to put it together and how to get this going. Putting all the guns in there is always my favorite part of all our concealed weapon builds. Just seeing them all together just kind of puts a smile on your face. So all your gun guys, I'm pretty sure it does the same to y'all. But even gun girls.
So we hope you liked the video. Give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, share. We do have an Instagram and Facebook at Triple G Customs. We'll put that in the description below. But go like and share and see what all we build on there. Let us know what y'all want us to build. We are always wanting to build for y'all. I have some fall signs that are for sale, so I'm trying to sell those so I can work on my Christmas signs. I'm ready for Christmas. And we are going to be building one of these again, so let us know if y'all want the details and the specs.
Hey guys, like she said, just help us out. Triple G Customs, we're slowly growing as a company, so go ahead and watch all our videos, subscribe, and let us know what you want us to build next. Alright guys, bye.
Bye.